In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an HTML file in Chrome. If you're working on a website or just want to preview a simple page you've saved, opening the file directly in Google Chrome is quick and reliable. An HTML file is just a text document that browsers read to display a web page, so you don't need any special tools to view it. Chrome can handle it right away. The fastest way is to use drag and drop. Open Chrome, create a new tab so you have a blank page. Then find your HTML file in your File Explorer or Finder. Click and drag the file into the Chrome window. Chrome will immediately load the page, and you'll see your layout, text, images, and styles just as a visitor would. If you prefer a menu option, use Chrome's built-in file opener. With Chrome in focus, press Ctrl+O on Windows or Command+O on Mac OS. A file picker will appear. Navigate to your HTML file, select it, and click Open. This method is especially handy when you're testing multiple files in one session. You can also open the file straight from your operating system, right-click the HTML file, choose Open With, and select Google Chrome. If you want this to be your default going forward, set Chrome as the default app for HTML files in your system settings, so double-clicking any HTML file will automatically launch it in Chrome. Once your page is open, keep Chrome handy while you edit. Each time you save changes in your code editor, switch back to Chrome and click the Reload button, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac OS. If you don't see updates, try a hard refresh with Ctrl+F5 on Windows or Command+Shift+R on Mac OS to bypass cached files. A few quick troubleshooting tips. If you see raw code instead of a rendered page, make sure the file ends with .html or .htm, and that it contains valid HTML. If the file tries to download or shows a not found message after you pasted a path into the address bar, use the open dialog or drag and drop instead, which avoids path formatting issues. And if parts of your page don't work, like scripts that fetch data, remember that browsers limit certain features for local files. In that case, run a simple local server from your editor or development tools. Then open the page at the local address in Chrome. That's it. With these options, you can preview any HTML file in Chrome quickly and confidently, and refresh as you iterate.